Welcome back to Health Diagnosis, where we explore the science behind health, beauty, and wellness so you can look and feel your best every single day. Today, we're diving into one of the most talked about ingredients in skincare, vitamin C. You've probably seen it everywhere, in serums, moisturizers, toners, even in supplements. But what exactly makes vitamin C so special for your skin? Why do dermatologists, beauty experts, and skincare enthusiasts swear by it? Let's uncover the truth behind this powerful antioxidant and how it can transform your skin from dull to radiant. Let's start with the basics. Vitamin C, also known as ascorbic acid, is a water-soluble vitamin that plays a crucial role in many of your body's functions. It helps build collagen, supports your immune system, and acts as a potent antioxidant that fights damage caused by free radicals. But what makes it truly fascinating is how it works on your skin. Every single day, our skin is exposed to pollution, UV rays, stress, and other environmental factors that generate free radicals, unstable molecules that damage skin cells, leading to premature aging, fine lines, and loss of firmness. Vitamin C steps in as a protector. It neutralizes those free radicals before they can cause harm, keeping your skin healthy and resilient. Now, let's talk about one of the biggest benefits: collagen production. Collagen is the structural protein that keeps your skin firm, plump, and youthful. As we age, collagen levels naturally decline. That's when wrinkles and sagging appear. Vitamin C is a key player in the synthesis of collagen. Without it, your body can't effectively produce or maintain collagen fibers. That's why using vitamin C regularly helps your skin stay firm and smooth, reducing fine lines and improving elasticity. Another amazing property of vitamin C is its ability to brighten the complexion. If you've been struggling with dullness, uneven skin tone, or dark spots, this vitamin can help bring your glow back. It inhibits an enzyme called tyrosinase, which is responsible for melanin production. That's the pigment that causes dark spots or hyperpigmentation. Over time, vitamin C can fade acne scars, sunspots, and age spots, giving your skin a more even tone and radiant appearance. But that's not all. Vitamin C also enhances sun protection. It's not a replacement for sunscreen, but when used together, it boosts your skin's defense against UV damage. Studies show that vitamin C reduces the oxidative stress caused by sun exposure, helping to prevent photoaging, other wrinkles, pigmentation, and rough texture that come from years of UV damage. So, pairing a vitamin C serum with sunscreen is like giving your skin a double shield of protection. Now, let's talk about texture and hydration. Many people notice smoother and softer skin after incorporating vitamin C into their routine. That's because it helps your skin retain moisture by supporting the lipid barrier. When your skin barrier is healthy, it holds on to hydration better, making your skin look supple and fresh. There's also evidence suggesting that vitamin C can reduce inflammation and calm redness. If you have sensitive or acne-prone skin, that's a huge bonus. It helps speed up healing of pimples and minimizes post-acne marks, so your skin recovers faster and looks clearer over time. Now, you might be wondering, how do you actually use vitamin C for the best results? The most effective way is topical application. Oral supplements help your overall health, but only a small fraction of that vitamin C reaches the skin. A good serum, on the other hand, delivers vitamin C directly where it's needed. When choosing a product, look for a concentration between 10% and 20% of L-ascorbic acid. That's the purest and most potent form of vitamin C. Lower concentrations can still work if you have sensitive skin, but anything higher than 20% usually doesn't bring more benefits and can sometimes cause irritation. You'll also find other forms of vitamin C, such as sodium ascorbyl phosphate or magnesium ascorbyl phosphate. These are gentler and more stable versions that still provide antioxidant benefits, so if you have easily irritated skin, those might be better choices. Storage is another important factor. Vitamin C is notoriously unstable. It can degrade when exposed to air, light, or heat. So, always store your serum in a cool, dark place, and look for packaging that protects it, like dark glass bottles with airtight pumps. If your serum changes color to a dark orange or brown, it's probably oxidized and not as effective anymore. Now let's talk about how to incorporate it into your routine. The ideal time to apply vitamin C is in the morning, after cleansing and before applying moisturizer and sunscreen. That way, it acts as an antioxidant shield throughout the day, protecting you from pollution and UV exposure. However, if your skin feels sensitive or you're using stronger active ingredients like retinol, you can also use it at night. A pea-sized amount is enough for your entire face. Gently pat it on and allow it to absorb fully before layering other products. Some people experience a mild tingling sensation the first few times. That's normal. But if you notice redness, burning, or irritation, try using it every other day until your skin adjusts. One thing to remember is that consistency is key. Vitamin C doesn't work overnight. It takes a few weeks of regular use to see noticeable changes. But when you stick with it, the results are worth it. A brighter skin, reduced pigmentation, fewer fine lines, and an overall healthy glow. Now let's look at how vitamin C interacts with other skincare ingredients. A lot of people worry about mixing it with things like niacinamide or acids. In the past, there were myths that niacinamide cancels out vitamin C, but that's not true. Modern formulations are perfectly fine to use together. In fact, combining vitamin C with niacinamide can enhance brightness and strengthen the skin barrier. However, if you're using exfoliating acids like glycolic acid or retinol, it's best to apply them at a different time. For example, vitamin C in the morning and retinol at night. That way, you avoid overwhelming your skin and reduce the risk of irritation. You might also wonder whether to take vitamin C supplements for skin health. The answer is a yes. They can help, but they shouldn't replace topical use. Your skin is the last organ to receive nutrients from your diet, so while eating vitamin C-rich foods like oranges, strawberries, bell peppers, and kiwi will support your body and immune system, applying it directly to your skin ensures you get the full benefits where you need them most. Speaking of diet, let's not forget that what you eat can amplify your skincare results. A diet high in antioxidants, including vitamin C, vitamin E, and beta-carotene A helps protect your skin from within. So, adding fresh fruits, vegetables, and plenty of water to your daily routine makes your topical vitamin C even more effective. Let's also address a common concern. Can vitamin C cause irritation? For most people, it's completely safe. But if your skin is sensitive or you're new to active ingredients, start slow. Use it 2 to 3 times a week and gradually increase frequency. You can also look for serums that combine vitamin C with soothing ingredients like hyaluronic acid or aloe vera. Another tip: don't forget your neck and chest. These areas are often exposed to the sun and tend to age faster. Applying vitamin C there can help even out skin tone and maintain firmness. Many users notice a glow from within effect after consistent use. That luminous, healthy radiance that makes your skin look naturally lit. That's because vitamin C not only boosts brightness but also smooths out rough texture, tightens pores, and gives that polished look without makeup. Dermatologists also recommend vitamin C after certain treatments like chemical peels or microneedling, once the skin has healed, to help with recovery and reduce pigmentation. But always check with your professional before applying anything after a procedure. To sum up, vitamin C is one of the most researched and proven skincare ingredients available today. It brightens your complexion, supports collagen production, protects from sun and pollution damage, reduces pigmentation, and promotes overall skin health. Whether you're dealing with dullness, aging, or uneven tone, this single ingredient can make a visible difference. Just remember: choose a stable formula, store it properly, use it consistently, and protect your skin with sunscreen. That combination is the ultimate recipe for youthful, glowing skin. If you've never tried vitamin C before, start now and watch your skin transform week by week. And don't forget, inner health shows on the outside, so nourish your body with healthy foods, stay hydrated, and manage stress. When your body is balanced, your skin reflects it beautifully. Thank you for tuning into Health Diagnosis. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe so you never miss out on our upcoming health and skincare insights. Drop your questions in the comments below. I love reading your experiences and helping you find what works best for your skin. Stay healthy, stay radiant, and I'll see you in the next episode of Health Diagnosis.